loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is LaToya Ebony, and today we're gonna talk about some Amazon life hack products that I think are gonna change your life the way that they've changed mine. And some of them are very simple, and also a few of them, quite a few of them, are under $10. So come along on this journey with me. This first product, a spiralizer. What the hell is a spiralizer, you may ask? Well, if you're someone like me who's looking for lower carb options and you love spaghetti, you see my face, right? You love spaghetti. You love the carbs. You love the carbs, darling. You're gonna wanna get one of these. What this allows you to do is take things like squash or zucchini and make your own pasta. So you would essentially put the cucumber in this end, push it here so that it holds, and then you twist. You twist until it's done, and on the other side, your pasta comes out. It has a bunch of different blades. Let me tell you guys, does it taste like real spaghetti? No, but there are some amazing recipes online, and you can get your zucchini tasting very nice, garlicky, flavorful. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, vegans, they be having them recipes. If you're not a vegan and you've never tried a vegan recipe, like someone who actually knows how to cook, especially someone who used to be a meat eater and is now a vegan, they be having them recipes. So I would encourage you to try to find like a recipe. I'll link, I have one recipe for zucchini noodles that tastes pretty good. And you can just have your bed of zucchini noodles. It doesn't have to be cooked or anything. And you know, you put your sauces and your stuff on top. But anyway, the reason why I like this is because you can do pretty much anything. Curly fries, vermicelli, coarse groovy chips, and there's a fettuccine blade that I usually use. And you don't have to use it for like zucchini and stuff like that, but you can use it for potatoes too. I just think that this is dope. And especially if you have like an air fryer, you out of here. Belts, all right. You probably like, okay, belts. What do you do with belts? They're in your closet. They just hanging out, they messing up the whole vibe because it's like, the belts are weird. They're kind of thick, they're different sizes, different lengths. They just make the closet look ugly. You never know what to do with them. You're hanging them on your hangers. You're hanging them on random hooks everywhere. What do you do with them? You put them on a belt hanger. So this belt hanger I got two of them from Amazon. And this is a life hack for your behind. I'm telling you, I don't know who invented this belt hanger, but I love it. I love it because it holds multiple belts, and the way that I put it in, it only takes up the space of like a pair of jeans. So freaking good. So good. And it's super cheap, and it's plastic, and it holds everything you need. Okay, so you know when you have a regular hanger and you're just hanging them on like this, right? The way that they come off, so easy. So easy. Like, why am I just now finding this year? I just don't, like, I feel like it's very simple. How come I was never using them? Anyway. I know I'm getting so hyped, but like belts have been like the bane of my existence, or of my closet existence, I guess, not mine. But now I get to hold all my belts, and you guys know how I love to accessorize. Accessorize? Accessorize. Listen up, all of you who have to wash, detangle your hair in the shower, and it takes a long time. Listen up. Listen up, okay? Y'all probably like, you do all these hair videos, you're constantly in the shower, getting your floor wet and all this, and like, how do you not get bored? Maybe y'all didn't think about that. Maybe you didn't think the last time I was in the shower for 2 hours, I was bored as hell. You didn't know. You didn't think about that because for you, it was only like 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm a little frustrated by that, and so I would have to say the best thing that I can do is entertain myself. So whether that's a Bluetooth speaker, I've showed you guys that before. Okay, that's cool, that's cute. But what if you want to listen to a podcast? Well, no, I guess the Bluetooth speaker could do that too. But what if you want to watch a TV show in the shower? What you gonna do? First of all, you're gonna need a waterproof phone like this. You're gonna need something metal on the back like this. And I guess I could find this metal thing too. And you're gonna need a magnet that sticks to tile. There's this brand called Moft. I didn't even know of it. My husband got it one day. He positioned it in the shower, and one day I was like, I put it up there, and I was watching YouTube video. I'm like, I could stay in here forever. Honestly, this is a hack for that. Put your phone up, waterproof phone or water resistant phone, and just have at it with your TV shows while you're washing your hair, while you're detangling your hair. And this is gonna lead to a lot less breakage because you're comfortable, you're not rushing to get out, you're not rushing to rip through your hair. I love watching TV in the shower, mainly YouTube videos. I just have a little anxiety about the fact that, like, what if my camera goes on? Like, no. I've watched a live stream in the shower once. Way too much anxiety. Okay, this is another closet hack, more like a drawer hack. Bras. So annoying to put away because they're all jumbled in your drawer. You don't know where they are sometimes. You're trying to figure out, should I kind of do an accordion sort of twisty fold cup thing? They're very expensive boob prisons, and like, I don't know, I just feel like you're constantly having to change them anyway. They're just too expensive to ruin. This is how you store them. So this is a drawer specifically for bras, and so you can store them looking nice and neat, and you can kind of just, you know, finger through them. Be like, I want to wear the tan one today, the purple one, the blue one, the black one. I tend to only wear black and tan. I just feel like it looks so much better under clothes. I don't have to worry about designs and crystals and stuff. I have my occasions, but they ain't going under clothes. And I also will keep like all of my undergarments, whether that's socks, whether that's underwear, bras. I even sometimes will leave little, what is this called, a glove? I swear, you live in California for 7-8 years and you just forget what winter stuff looks like. I hate irons. Like, I hate them. I'm okay, I don't hate them, but like, I have PTSD. So my mom was very old school and we could not leave the house without ironing our clothes. Thankfully, I mean, can you imagine? Our clothes were very wrinkled all the time, especially back then. We didn't really have, you know, washers and dryers, so we would like step on them in the tub. Like, that's what I'm talking about. And we have to wring them out, you know, to get all the water out. 2 people, 1 person on each side of the pair of jeans, wring them out, and then like, I'm doing the motion. You'd have to like flop them out and then hang them up to dry in the shower. That's how it was. You know, we're talking about 90s in New York. You know, so we would have to do that. And so of course our jeans would be just so wrinkled and they would dry hard, kind of, because obviously, like, there's only so much manpower a kid can do getting all the soap out and whatnot. I just now realize why it was so hard. Anyway, I hate ironing. I don't like to iron. And so now, as an adult, I steam. I know you're probably like, I don't really need that. I have an iron. I know what you're saying. First of all, it's portable, so I brought it to Florida with me. I steamed my clothes. It was amazing. Second of all, when you start getting into the finer fabrics, like the silks and the satins and whatnot, like, an iron just will not do, especially if you're doing something with pleats, gathering, cinching at the waist. Irons, they just don't be giving me what they're supposed to have gave. Like, they just don't do it. So steamers are the way to go. Get you a steamer, no, for real. Now, I know a good amount of you have copped this. This is a drain protector. It holds your hair. It doesn't matter if you have straight hair, curly hair, coily hair, kinky hair, whatever hair you have, it's gonna end up in your drain if you're washing your hair in the shower, which most of us do. Even if you're doing it in the kitchen sink or however you wanna wash your hair, there's so many different methods, you guys. It's gonna clog your drain. And then you're gonna have to buy a snake and get it out. And it's gonna be pulling out everything. Everything from the sole of the tub is gonna come out. It's gonna be disgusting. And you're gonna have to do it anyway, but let's at least do it a little less frequent, you know? So just get a drain protector. so that it can catch all the hair. And once you see how much hair is being caught, you'll know you did a good thing. You'll know. And so those are the 7 life hack products from Amazon. Very affordable. I mean, and the value that they bring is well beyond what they cost. I will link everything down below. Do you have any products that I should be buying that like you've noticed I need in my life? Because Amazon is bae. Like I feel like I spend so much money on Amazon every single week. I actually have Amazon lists. So if you ever want to know about my tech equipment, my closet essentials, even some of like the clothing I get on Amazon, I put it all in separate lists. Skincare, beauty, home life, tech, fitness. I have a bunch of lists that are public for everyone to see, and I have one for the 30-day hair detox and 4C hair products in general. So check out those lists down below. So if you're interested in vlogs, you really like to kind of see the behind the scenes, I've been doing a lot more just showing the behind the scenes of being an influencer. I'm gonna link one of my videos here. I love you all, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye. Mwah.